Good evening and welcome to today's video. We're at RADRACE Last Man Standing, which is an 8-man elimination race around a go-kart track.
How are you feeling?
Same as you, dude.
I mean, you won the last race we did, so...
Yeah, but that was always straight. Now we have to take corners.
It's a little bit slippery. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. How much can you bank the bike over? Luckily, we've got some practice laps to work it out.
Still 20 minutes to go.
Yeah. You again.
Huh?
You're following me around.
You're following me?
No, I don't think
Every
so.
time I turn around, there's a lens. Look at that, you're right in my face again.
That's because you're a YouTube star.
Yeah, I probably am now. You're gonna have more followers now. They'll be following me without knowing. I'll get nothing from it as well. You're gonna have to start paying me a wage.
Been out on the track, right?
Yeah. I started with the drops, but it's a bit low. So put the risers on now. They're over there. Those big fat boys over there.
I've seen a few people using flat bars, and I'm kind of jealous.
It makes sense. It puts you a little bit higher on the bike, and you can actually take a bit more angle without being scared. The only thing that will happen is that you won't be scared and you'll clip your pedal. And that is a lot funnier than not doing it at all. Worst case scenario, we'll end up like him. He's racing, it's not stopping him, is it?
He's not the problem.
You both look so happy.
It's cold even inside.
Yeah, what's going on?
Like,
are you huddling for warmth?
yeah. Teammates or not.
A beer already? The race hasn't even started. Food in your mouth. The race hasn't even started. This is a great interview.
I'm ready, man.
It's a shame we're not in the same group.
At least I'm not with Augusto.
I'm with Augusto.
Good luck then.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? Are you ready for this? Now you've seen the races, do it.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Why not? I flew this far.
Just remember, the faster you pedal, the faster you go.
That's a good thing, except in those scary corners where I like make boo-boos happen.
Blast off, hit 'em high with the Space Jam. Eyes of the skies from the Ray-Bans, trapped in my mind, feeling fine from the wine, and it's time to recline from the grind in the wasteland. So
I just finished my heat and had a bit of a problem on the start line because my handlebars were loose. So I still raced, didn't come last, but also didn't qualify, which kind of sucks. I'm a bit pissed off because I should have checked my bike at the start anyway. Even though it was a borrowed one, I think that's what threw me off a little bit. The nice thing about being at a fixed gear crit though is that it's still a brilliant atmosphere. Even though I can't race anymore, there's a huge party going on, so could be worse.
Okay, this is what happened. This is why Francis lost. Man, you should have come to our house and
I mean, I should have checked it before we started. And that's the end of that chapter. Now you better win. I've got some advice for you.
Thank you.
You should tighten up your stem so your handlebars don't fall off on the
So
start.
you're not going like this?
Yeah. Official way to fix. You know, what else can you do? Halfway for a race. I was doing that.
So around 20 minutes to warm up.
20 minutes to warm up.
Yeah,
are you feeling good? Have you been on the track yet?
No, I didn't try the track. I was working at the bike show today, so will be fun doing the first corners without ever seeing the course. We will see. Let's have some fun. It's most important.
First time racing the new bike as well, yeah?
First time, new bike, new track, new tires.
Yes.
You've done very well in this race before, haven't you? You've done very well.
I was lucky.
You were not lucky. How are you feeling about it now the course has changed?
It's like when I won, I will go to qualifying and it will be the first time being on the track ever. So I didn't participate, I didn't have the chance to practice. So it's qualifying all in.
Yeah, and you've done exactly the same this time. Stefan, kill it.
Yeah, it was fun.
You were smashing it. You look so smooth around the corners.
The new tires, they were slippering a bit at the beginning, but then it went pretty well and I got confident and yeah, it's good. Second place in the qualifying.
Sick.
All fine.
You got to race again soon now. So now we're into the second round of heats. From 8 bar, Stefan's got through and now he's in first place in this one, so it's looking good. Everything can change though in a second because of the crashing and how technical the course is.
Stefan fell, but he got up really quick and he's now in 5th position, running after 4. He's got a chance. There are 3 people behind him, so...
He got up so quick!
Where is he? Here we go!
You got it! You're a gentleman.
Oh my god.
It's already ready.
You're finally 7 hours later. You're actually going to start your racing.
I'm ready.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Right, now there's finally been a bit of a break in the men's racing. The ladies have started. It gets seriously heated.
Yeah.
Hey, shh. 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 You need something? You need something?
What you got? What you got?
Get everything, like champagne, coffee, hey, whatever you need.
Mr. Son, welcome families at home and live. Stefan from the 8-bar team at the moment is leading the pack.
In the semi-finals!
In the semi-finals! We achieved the semi-finals! And the funny thing about it is, Stefan didn't want to attend the race, but he did to present the new final.
He came straight from the bike show to the race,
exactly,
having not seen any of the course.
No, that's what he did. He came like a virgin to the course and races now in the semi-finals. And he's keeping his front place, and he's making the family proud.
Now it is the final. Who's going to win?
I don't know. Maybe the guy from last year? That guy with the nice shirt.
In the final.
In the final.
Were you expecting this?
No, not really.
A few crashes along the way.
It's all about the fun, so I achieved my goal more than I wanted, so yeah.
Anything extra is a bonus. Are you feeling good?
Yeah, I feel alright. My legs are a bit tired, but I think everyone got the same problem.
Smash it, man.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. What was the final result? Fourth?
I came in fourth.
Fourth in the final.
Yeah.
That's good.
It was fun. It was so hard, like so many laps in the final, but it was a lot of crashes in front of me. I had to go around 2 crashes.
How many crashes were you involved in total?
4. I crashed once and I had to stop once because of a crash, and I had to go around 2 other crashes.
Like, this track, it was hard.
Yeah,
it was hard.
The problem, it's so technical because the corners are so small, so sharp, and so it's really hard to overtake people. And so you have to take a risk if you want to overtake someone. That's why there happen crashes, but the good thing is you're not so fast, so normally the crashes, people stand up and race again.